Tonight you're going to have living food. Why do we call it living food? Because first of all, it is not processed, quote unquote, in the true conventional means of cooking. We don't heat anything above 112 degrees in order to maintain all the vital enzymes, all the phytonutrients, all the fiber, all the vitamins, all the minerals, okay? Now, in the living food world, you're going to hear temperatures all over the place. 110, 108, 112, 115, 118, okay? It doesn't matter what the temperature is. What matters is, keep in mind, the lower the temperature that you can keep things at, the more beneficial to you as far as the nutrients and all the health benefits. If you're going to living food, and because you want it warm, and you take it straight out of the refrigerator, and you want to put it in the microwave, then don't bother with living food. Go buy canned food, which you've been eating, okay?